How many times have you went to Instagram or Facebook just to take a short break, but then just kept scrolling until you realize that you have spent hours and hours just wasting time, and then say to yourself, well, time flies. My friend, I do agree that time flies, but you and no one else is the pilot. Just the very moment in your life you take control of your life and say to yourself that my life is my responsibility, that I choose to choose my action, that my action can make or break me. You make your journey from being a superhuman from just human. Did you know that the rocket spends almost 90 to 95% of its fuel only in the launch in the first 5 kilometers? As it goes farther, the acceleration becomes easy. Similarly, in your and our life, beginning to do something awesome is hard. And as Robin Sharma said it so beautifully, that change is hard in the beginning, messy in the middle, but gorgeous at the end. Although it sucks, although it's very hard, I challenge you to get started with something that can help you grow. Did you know that the rocket spends almost 90 to 95% of its fuel only in the launch in the first 5 kilometers? As it goes farther, the acceleration becomes easy. Similarly, in your and our life, beginning to do something awesome is hard. And as Robin Sharma said it so beautifully, that change is hard in the beginning, messy in the middle, but gorgeous at the end. Although it sucks, although it's very hard, I challenge you to get started with something that can help you grow. The question is not if you are successful or not. The question is, are you as successful as you could have been? Remember, good is the biggest barrier to great. So never settle and keep hunting. Now that you have begun, don't stop. Step by step, you will be on the top. Down, you do not have to stay down, because one single experience cannot define who you are and who you are going to become. निधारमा जे लेखेको हुन्छ त्यही हुन्छ, कतिचोटि भनियो कतिचोटि सुन्यो, तर निधारमा लेख्ने चाहिँ को? सोधी हेरौँ न एकचोटि, के त हाम्रो निधारमा लेख्ने हामी आफू नै हौं कि? There are so many people in this world who have really big dreams, but there are two types of dreamers. The first category of dreamers are beggars. They want more success, they want more fame, they want more name, but they have nothing to offer, nothing to give. But there are second category of dreamers who are called traders. Now they also want material possessions, they also want name and fame, but the only difference is that traders have something to offer for the price they want. They have something to offer, things like blood and toil, things like effort when everybody has given up, things like taking the initiative when it's really hard to, and that's what makes them achiever and successor from simply dreamer. You see, most people want to but are not able to go up in life because they are not ready to throw away what's pulling them down, simply because they are too attached to it. You see, as a rocket goes higher and higher in the sky, it has to throw away a part of itself that it was attached to, simply because it's no more useful. You see, you have people in your life who might have helped you in the past, but today they just laugh at your dreams. They think that your visions are too extreme. They may pretend, but they are no more in your team. You understand that? These people are simply pulling you down with vague statements. You have to leave them away, because you have to realize that if you want to go up in life, you have to throw away what's pulling you down.